This is one of the reasons why I actually installed the oil catch can earlier this year. There was a lot of oil coming through the breather hose, and it was clogging up the valve that controls the idle control valve, and yeah, it was causing misfiring and also some hunting idle as well. So since I installed that, it's all disappeared. But seems to be the only one who's done this on a MGTF. Probably not the only one on a K-series engine, but it's really helped actually.